Hey y'all, here for part two on your Canva tutorial with your 2021 vision board. Here I am. You see that I've completed putting all my frame or pictures in my frames. I've changed up my fonts. One other thing I wanted to say, if you wanted to go to your text and expand the window, say you wanted like 3 lines instead of 4 or 5, you just pull them in or you pull them out or pull them back in to make them, change as much as you want. And you can also go and you can change your alignment up here. So I wanted to make sure that you guys knew that. So I went ahead and I did all these things. So now I want to go and see about backgrounds. So you can change your background. They can be solid colors. You can print like whatever color you want it to be. It is your vision board, okay? You can make it all black if you want to. You can change it and you can go to backgrounds and they have a bunch of free backgrounds. And all you do is click on it, say you want that pattern and it pops up. You can go to gradients. You can go, anywhere. You can do whatever you want because this is your vision board, okay? So you can pick whatever background you want. Say, say I don't like that. Let me just back it on up. Back it on up. I'm just going to keep it plain for now. Actually, I kind of like, let's see. I kind of like the mountains. Mountains on the coast. Hey, it's mine. It's mine and mine alone. Okay, so you can go ahead and you can change it up however you want. Now, these elements are something you can also change the colors up onto. So you just click whatever color. So this is this pink element right here and say I want to change it to this color. So you just click whatever. And then this one will change whatever this color was. So I kind of have like palettes on mine. It just comes with the pro account, but you can also use any other color you want. Say I like teal. So I'll type in teal and it can pull up a whole bunch of different colors that I can replace it with, right? So you can just go through and you can change all the elements. You can move them. You can turn them using this. You can flip them, crop them, whatever, right? Do a whole bunch of things. You can even replace them. Okay, so you can go into your elements. There's a bunch of them, like a bunch. You can go through. These are the frames I was talking about if you want to add more photos to your vision board. You can also do different elements like gradient. I can pull that over there and then I can change the color. There's so many things you can do with Canva and change things up. It's like not even funny and it's easy. So you can go through and I want to add, I like this flower. So I'm going to put it in here. I don't know why. Why not, right? So you can make it bigger. I can push it to the back so it's not everywhere. Move it around wherever I like it. You can go behind this picture, what you want. Oop, that wasn't supposed to move. Go over here, Hey, it's your vision board, right? So I'm gone through and I figured out what I wanted to do for my vision board. So then you can go ahead and download. So you can download in any format you want. If you want to print it out, you can do it in a PDF, PNG. Can just save it to your computer. And just go ahead and you just click download. And it'll download to your computer and then it can pull up like that. And boom, you can see it. And it'll pop up on its own in a separate window. So that is all I have for you. I hope you enjoy the tutorial. If you need more help or you want to learn more about me, head to monicawimbley.com. See y'all later.